This is a common dilemma faced by most homeowners. A flat blueprint can't show you how light will illuminate the living room at sunset. It can't tell you why one material might withstand rain while another deteriorates after just one season. The house you're about to see is an example, recreated using artificial intelligence to help you better visualize your own home. Watch carefully. By the end of the video, you'll see that renovating your home is no longer a problem, but a plan. And if that's helpful to you, stay with us and subscribe to the channel for more homes as we showcase them. First, workers stripped away the vines, revealing the weathered stone underneath. Next came the roof, replaced with charcoal-colored tiles, chosen for their dark hue that absorbs heat evenly and drains quickly. The cracked plaster was repaired and then finished in a warm cream color, a shade that softens the harsh sunlight rather than reflecting it. New oak window frames were installed, complementing the arched iron gates. The cracked driveway, a testament to neglect, has now been repaved with dark, smooth asphalt, flat and comfortable underfoot. Where the dry earth once cracked under the sun, a lush green lawn stretches out. Hydrangeas and lavender are planted along the borders, chosen not only for their color but also for their fragrance, wafting through the open windows on warm evenings. Stepping inside, the living room was covered in dust and cobwebs. The dark wood ceiling was stained with soot accumulated over decades. The stone fireplace was icy cold. Workers began patiently cleaning the hand-carved beams, restoring the original wood grain. The walls were treated with a white primer, brightening a space long forgotten in terms of light. White oak flooring was laid planks, chosen for its durability against years of daily foot traffic. Warm, recessed lighting was installed, creating a soft, gentle light instead of a harsh glare. A green fabric-covered sofa was brought in, complementing a classic floral rug and framed botanical paintings. When the fireplace was finally lit, it brought a sense of warmth. The kitchen told a story of materials. The decaying floorboards were removed, along with the old, loose plaster. Instead, cream-colored kitchen cabinets were installed with antique brass handles reminiscent of a bygone era. Marble countertops were chosen for a clear reason. They are heat-resistant, stain-resistant, and become more beautiful with use rather than deteriorating. A classic blue stovetop becomes the heart of the kitchen, paired with a deep, farmhouse-style sink designed for everyday use. In the dining area, a recycled wood table sits under a crystal chandelier, its soft light illuminating the wood grain. Copper cookware hangs above the counter, alongside bundles of dried herbs. Functionality and nostalgia coexist in the same space.
We'll need to check the load-bearing walls first. The settling is significant.
Bedroom. The unique octagonal ceiling beams of this house have been carefully restored. Rough lime plaster has been applied to the walls, a material chosen because it is breathable and moisture-resistant without retaining moisture. The dark, walnut-stained wooden floor gives the room a sturdy and powerful feel. A carved wooden bed sits in the center, flanked by a writing desk and framed botanical artwork. As twilight descends outside the window, the fireplace is lit. Warm light spreads across the bedspreads and nearby plants. What was once a dusty ruin now feels like a sanctuary.
We made sure the insulation around these new windows is perfect.
The whole room feels so much warmer. I couldn't be happier with the work.
Integrity here is compromised by the rotten mold. It started right here by the window frame. Yeah. We'll include a full replacement in the report.
The bathroom, the final space, is constructed entirely of stone. The stone walls and wooden beams were cleaned with a pressure washer and then preserved rather than replaced, as their age gives the room its unique character. The floor is paved with natural slate, cool and solid underfoot. A double sink with a granite countertop is installed alongside a freestanding copper bathtub, its surface reflecting the flickering light of the lanterns. The antique brass faucets complete the room, evoking memories of the house's early years. A house is never truly abandoned as long as someone is willing to see what it could become. Every material here was chosen for a reason. Every layout was shaped by both climate and daily life. Now think about your own home. What is the one room you would restore first if you had the chance? Tell us in the comments below. And if this journey helped you see your own renovation more clearly, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next house we bring back to life.